This exam application tutorial is on the topic of static electricity. The question for 6 marks is explain why after rubbing a balloon against your hair, the balloon will stick to a wall. So again, there's multiple questions here. Firstly, why does a balloon become charged when rubbed against your hair? And secondly, why does a charged balloon stick to a wall? So explain why after rubbing a balloon against your hair, so what happens when you rub a balloon against your hair, the balloon becomes charged, and then explain why a charged balloon will stick to a wall. For this question, I am assuming the balloon will become negatively charged, but you could do it the other way around if you wanted to. So firstly, electrons will move from your hair to the balloon when you rub them together, like so. This gives the balloon a negative charge. So you can see before we rub the balloon, there was an equal balance of negative and positive charges. But after we rub the balloon against the hair, the electrons move from the hair to the balloon, because remember, electrons can move, but protons stay in the material. And now you can see there are more negative charges than positive charges, so the balloon becomes negatively charged. So that explains the first sub-question. Why does a balloon become charged when rubbed against your hair? Because electrons move from hair to the balloon. So now we have our negatively charged balloon, and when held to the wall, the balloon repels electrons in the wall. So you can see that we have electrons and positively charged nuclei or positive charges in the wall, and when we move our negatively charged balloon, because electrons can move, they will repel electrons in the wall. This leaves the surface of the wall positively charged, so you can see we're exposing positive charges here. So the balloon is attracted to the wall's surface because they have an opposite charge. Negative here, positive here, opposites attract.